Hi everyone, welcome to MyMax Academy. In this video, we'll continue with the chapter matrices from your 12th standard CBSE mathematics. So we'll continue with exercise 3.2, problem number 1 in your textbook, page number 80. Page number 80. 80. It is 3.2, first problem. So matrices A, B, C are given. We need to find the matrix A plus B, A minus B, 3A minus B, AB and BA. So solution is, so for the first one, A plus B, which means we should add A and B, right? So A is 2, 4, 3, 2 plus matrix B is 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Now if you add, we can add both the matrices because the order is same. Only the order of the matrix is same, we can add two matrices. This order is 2 cross 2 because 2 rows, 2 columns, 2 cross 2, even C is 2 cross 2. But here we need to find A plus B. So we'll add the corresponding elements. So 2 plus 1 is 3, 4 plus 3 is 7, 3 minus 2 is 1, 2 plus 5 is 7. So this is your A plus B matrix. This is your A plus B matrix. Of course, the order of A plus B also will be 2 cross 2. Right? Order of A plus B will also be 2 plus 2. So you can do the second part as do it yourself or homework, whichever way you want to. You can try this second part, A minus B. You need to subtract the matrices, or you have to do A plus minus B, so which can be done, or you can directly subtract the respective elements. And even the third one, if you take, so if you want to do third one, fine. So third one is, for example, 3A minus C is what we have to do. We have to do 3A minus C. So 3A minus C is equal to, we have to do 3 times A. A matrix is 2, 4, 3, 2, 3 and 2 minus C. C is minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Now if you try to find the value of this, you get 3 times 2 is 6. Then you have to multiply each element by 3. 3 times 4 is 12, 9 and 6. Then minus. So for the minus you can put plus and then you can take this minus inside. So it will become 2. Every element will be multiplied with this, with the minus. Or you can even directly subtract, that is also fine. So it becomes minus 5, minus 3, minus 4. Then we should add them. 6 plus 2 is 8. 12 plus minus 5 is 7. Then 9 minus 3 is 6. And 6 minus 4 is 2. So this is your 3A minus C matrix. This is your 3A minus C matrix. Fine. So then I will do the fourth one. Fourth one is, we have to find the product of A into B. So AB matrix. And we can multiply A into B because the number of columns of A is equal to number of rows of B. Only when the number of column in the first matrix, which is A, is equal to the number of rows of second matrix, only then we can do the multiplication. Here it is satisfied, so we can multiply. So 2, 4, 2, 3, 2 times 1, 3, minus 2, 5. Now if you multiply, we get 2 into 1 is 2. So first row with first column. Right? First row with first column. So 2 into, that is the first element of the resultant matrix. 2 into 1, 2. 4 times minus 2 is minus 8. And 2 times 3 is 6. 4 times 5 is 20. And the second element, first row with the second column, will give you the first row second element. Then second row first column, 3 into 1 is 3. Plus 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. Then 3 into 3 is 9. Plus 2 5s are 10. So you get, which is minus 6, 26, minus 1 and 19. So this is your matrix AB. This is your matrix AB. Fine. So you can do this, and then for fifth problem you can do it by yourself. You have to do B into A. You have to do B into A and find the matrix. You can do it DIY. Do it yourself. Do it DIY. Do it yourself. So which means or you can call it as homework or whatever. You can try your BA. You can multiply B with A and then you can do it by yourself. Fine. So I will go to the next problem. All of you can take the notes. Then the second problem in the exercise is for the second one, there are 4 sub problems. Fine. The first one, first one, you can do it by yourself. Do it yourself. You can do it by yourself. Second problem, second one, I am going to do now. So that is given as we have to add these two matrices, which is A square plus B square, B square plus C square, then A square plus C square, then A square plus B square. This multiplied with, added with, not multiplication, addition, 2AB, 2BC, minus 2AC, minus 2AB. Now we have to add these two matrices. So which means we'll add the corresponding elements. So the first, this plus this. So you get A square plus B square plus 2AB. This plus this will give you B square plus C square plus 2BC. And this will be A square plus C square minus 2AC. And this will give you A square plus B square minus 2AB. Fine. So if you add them, so this looks like our A plus B and A minus B whole square identity. So this is our A plus B the whole square. So A plus B is the whole square. Because A square plus 2AB plus B square is A plus B the whole square. This is B plus C the whole square. And this is A square minus B square form. So A square minus 2AB plus B square is A minus C the whole square. This will become A minus B the whole square. A minus B the whole square. So this is the final answer. So if you add them, fine. So take this, copy the notes. I will go to the next one. You can do it by yourself. So second, third, you can do it yourself. DIY, do it yourself. I'll do the fourth one. Second problem, fourth sub problem. The second, fourth one is given as cos square x, sin square x, sin square x, cos square x plus sin square x, cos square x, cos square x, sin square x. Now we have to add these two matrices. So if you add these two matrices, what do we get? We'll get the corresponding elements have to be added. So cos square x plus sin square x. So cos square x plus sin square x. Again, this is sin square x plus cos square x. Sin square x plus cos square x. Then this is sin square x plus cos square x. And this will be cos square x plus sin square x. And we know what is cos square x plus sin square x, which is 1. Again, sin square x plus cos square is 1, which is our trigonometric identities. Sin square x 1, 1. So you get the answer as 1, 1, 1, 1 if you add these two matrices. Fine. So we will go to the third problem. All of you take the notes. So I'll do the third problem here. And the third one is compute the indicated products, which means we need to find the product of the matrices. The third problem, first sub problem, is we have to multiply these two, which is A, B minus B, A should be multiplied with A minus B, B, A. So we have to multiply these two matrices. So again the multiplication is possible because the number of columns in this is equal to number of rows of this. It's also a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is also 2 cross 2 matrix. So the number of columns is equal to number of rows. So these two should match. Then we can multiply. So multiplication is defined and we can multiply the matrices. So how do we multiply? A into A is A square plus B into B is B square. Then A into minus B is minus AB. Again B into A is plus BA. Then second row with first column, minus B into A is minus BA. A into B is AB. Minus B into minus B is B square plus A into A is A square. So finally you get it as A square plus B square. This will give you 0 because minus AB plus AB will get cancelled. This is also 0. You get B square plus A square, or we can write as A square plus B square. It doesn't matter. So this is your final answer when you multiply both the matrices. Clear? So next for the second one. So third problem, second sub problem, which is we have to multiply. So we have to multiply 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 with the matrix 2, 3, 4. We have to multiply these two matrices. Now the multiplication is possible because it is 1, 2, 3. This has 3 rows and 1 column. The order is 3 cross 1. This is 1 row and 3 columns. This is 1 cross 3. So number of columns is equal to number of rows. So we can multiply. And when you multiply these two matrices, the resultant matrix will be of order. You have to close these two 1. 1 and 1 will be closed. You get 3 cross 3. That will be the order of the resultant matrix. When you multiply these two matrices, the final product will be a matrix of order 3 cross 3. This 3 cross this 3. So how do we do this? Now you have to be little careful. The same thing, but we may get confused if you get such small matrices. So I told you first row with first column. So 1 into 2 is 2. We won't put plus next thing because for that we should have an element, next element in this row and next element in this column. If there was an element here and if there was an element here, then we would do 1 into 2 plus this element into this element. Like that we will so on and so forth. So we will take all the elements of row 1, multiply with the corresponding elements in column 1 of this matrix, then add the products. But here it is only one element in this one row and one element in this column. So 1 into 2 is 2. That's it. Now we'll go to the next one. Next element is first row, second column. 1 into 3 is 3. We can't do further. If there was one more element here and one more element here, we would have done 1 into 3 plus this element into this element. But there is no element here. So we can't do. So this is the end of it. 1 into 3, first row with second column. 1 into 3 is 3. That's it. Then again 1 into 4, first row with first column. 1 into 4 is 4. Now we are going to the second row. Second row with first column. 2 into 2, 4. That's it. If there was one more element here and one more element here, we would have done this into this plus this into this plus, then you will get this. Fine. So there are no elements here. I'm just putting a dot for you to understand that if there was an element here, we would have now find the sum of the products. So it is 2 into 2, 4. Then again 2 into 3 is 6. Then 2 into 4 is 8. Similarly 3 into 2 is 6. 3 into 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. So this is the product of. So again the order is what? 3 cross 3. You'll get this 3 cross this 3 when you multiply these two matrices. Clear? So all of you take the notes for this. Fine. And then for the third and fourth, third is homework. Third is homework or do it yourself, whichever way. Third is do it yourself, or you can call it as homework, whatever. Do it yourself / homework. Third problem, third subdivision. This is third problem, second subdivision. Right? You can do it. You have to find the product of that. Right? Similarly, you can we can do the next one. Let me erase this. Fine. Third part you can do it yourself. Even third one, fourth part you can do it yourself. and third one, fifth part I will do. So third one, fifth part I will do. It's a similar problem, so I'm asking you to try. You will be able to do it. So do it yourself means you try by yourself, and you should be able to do. So the next one is we have to find the product of this. In third, fifth problem is 2, 1, 3, 2, minus 1, 1 with 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. 1, 0, 2, 3, minus 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 1. So what is the order of this matrix? Order is 1, 2, 3, 3 rows and 2 columns. This has 1, 2 rows and 3 columns. So again the number of columns, which is this, is matching with the number of rows in this matrix, which is this. So we can perform multiplication, and the resultant matrix order will be, you have to close these two, you get 3 cross 3. Right? So how do we multiply that? So how do we do this? So multiplication of this is, again 2 into 1 is 2, plus 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Right? So here we have this into this plus this into this. First row elements with first column elements. We have to find the sum of the product. But here it was just only one element and one element. So 1 into 1, we got 1, and then there was no element here and there was no element here. So we couldn't do this into this. If there was element, we would have done this into this, and we would have added 1 into 2 plus this into this. We would have done. So we started with 1 into 2 is 2. That's all. We did not put plus and we did not write. Sometimes you guys may put 1 into 2. Then I've seen students writing plus 1 into 3 they'll put. Then again plus 1 into 4. No, you can't go. You have to multiply the elements of the row with the column, and then you have to add the products. Then when you go to the first row with the second column, it will go to the second element. First row with the third column will go to the third element of the first row of the resultant matrix. So here we will have to do 2 into 1, 2, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, then 2 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, 1 into 2 into 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1, then 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2, 3 into 0 is 0, 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3, 2 into 1 is 2. Again third row with the first column, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, minus 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 2 is 2, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1, 1 into 1 is 1. So if you simplify this, so 2 minus 1 is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 1, 4, 5, minus 2, 2 and 0. So this is the product of the given two matrices. Fine. So you can try the third one, sixth part. You can do it by yourself. DIY. Do it yourself, or you can call it as homework, whatever way. You try this. And then even the fourth problem, you can do it by yourself. Fourth, you can do it by yourself. Right? You need to find A plus B and B minus C. The three matrices A, B, C are given. You have to find A plus B and B minus C. And you have to verify A plus B minus C is equal to A plus B minus C. So the fourth problem you can do it by yourself. Even the fifth can be done by yourself. Right? So these are normal addition and subtraction. So fifth also you do it by yourself. So I'll go to the sixth one. I'll do the sixth problem. So what is the sixth problem here? The sixth problem is simplify. Simplify cos theta into cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta plus sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta sin theta. So what do we get? The cos into cos. You have to multiply each element with this cos theta. So cos into cos is cos square theta. Then again cos theta into sin theta. So we are doing a scalar multiplication. Like how we find 2a. If you have to find 2a, we multiply each element with 2. Here we have to find cos theta of this matrix. So we have to multiply each element by cos theta. Cos theta into sin theta is cos theta sin theta Then cos theta into minus sin theta is minus sin theta cos theta. Then this will cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Plus, again you have to multiply each element with the sin theta. So sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Sin theta into minus cos theta is minus sin theta cos theta. Then sin theta into cos theta is sin theta cos theta. And sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Fine. So if I simplify further, or if we add them, cos square theta plus sin square theta, right, you get 1. Cos theta sin theta, this is minus cos theta sin theta, that will become 0. And minus sin theta cos theta, this is sin theta cos theta. If you add them, this is minus sin theta cos theta, this is plus sin theta cos theta, they will get cancelled, you get 0. Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. The trigonometric identity, right? Cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So finally what we got is this one. And what is this matrix? This is an identity matrix of order 2. It's an identity matrix of order 2. So this is the final answer for the 6th problem. 7th problem, first part you can do it yourself. I'll do the second part. So if you do the second part, then similarly you can do the first part. So second part I will do. Seventh one, second part is we have to find the matrix x and y such that 2x plus 3y equal to 2, 3, 4, 0. 2x plus 3y is 2, 3, 4, 0. Then 3x plus 2y is given as 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. 2 minus 2 minus 1 and 5. Now we need to find the matrices capital X and capital Y. Capital X, and so we call this as equation 1 and equation 2. Now to find capital X and capital Y, both are matrices. Capital X is a matrix, capital Y is also a matrix. We need to find both these matrices. So for that we can solve elimination method, like how we used to do the pair of linear equations in 2 variables in 10th standard. However we solved and we used to find x and y. We can use any one of the method, elimination or substitution. So we'll go by elimination method, that is easy. So we'll make the coefficient of x the same. So here it is 2, here it is 3. So we'll multiply the first equation by 3 and second equation by 2. Right? So multiplying, so 3 into the first equation and 2 into the 2 multiplied with the second equation. So we are going to multiply the first equation throughout by 3. So that becomes 6. If I multiply this with 2, this will also become 6. So this will be 6x, 6x, so that we can subtract and cancel them. So if I multiply, I will get 3 2s are 6x plus 3y equal to 3 into this, which means I should multiply each element with 3. So 3 into this whole matrix will be 6, 9, 12 and 0. So each element should be multiplied by 3. And second equation we are going to multiply by 2. So 3 into 2 is 6x. Then 3 into 2 into 2 into 3 is 6x. 2 into 2y is 4y equal to, now again I have to multiply each element with 2. So it will become 4 minus 2 and 10. So this is multiplied with 2, 6. Multiplying this with 2, 4. Multiplying this with 2 means, we are multiplying this matrix with 2 means every element in this matrix will be multiplied by 2. So you get this. Now what we can do, we can subtract them. So subtract means changing the sign, right? So this is plus, it will become minus, this will become minus, this will also be minus. Right? When you subtract 6x minus 6x, it's cancelled. Now 3y minus 4y will give you minus y. So we get minus y equal to, we have to subtract these two. So 6 minus 4, or I can write both the matrices here. So 6, 9, 12, 0 minus, which is this minus, 4 minus 4, 4 minus 4 minus 2, 10. And that will give you 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 minus of minus 4, 9 plus 4 is 13, Then 12 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, which is 14. Then 0 minus of minus 10 is minus 10. Fine, that is your minus y. So your y will be, this minus will go here, which means you have to multiply each element with minus. You will get minus 2, minus 13, minus 14 and plus 10. So that is how we find the y matrix. Fine. Your y matrix is, that is how we will find the y matrix. Fine. So we will get y like this. Oh, I think, one second, I think this has to be 9, right? So 3 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9. So this has to be 9. So 9 means 9 minus 4, this will become 5y. So this is 5y. So you will get the answer as, this will be 5y. So your y will become 2 by 5, then 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. Divide each element by 5. Clear? So your matrix y is 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. So here you have to multiply each element by 3. So 3 2s are 6. Again, this also should be multiplied by 3. That will give you 9y. Fine. So 9 minus 4 will give you, 9 minus 4 will give you 5. So this is the value of y matrix. Now we should find the value of x. So either we can substitute the y matrix in one of the equations, solve and find x, or we can even again try to eliminate our y and trying to find x. Either case we can do. So we will try to eliminate y, that may be easy. So which means we will multiply the first equation by 2 and second equation by 3. So first equation is multiplied by 2 and second equation is multiplied by 3. Right? So 2 into the first equation and 3 into the second equation. So what do we get if we do that? Now if I multiply the first equation by 2, I will get 4x plus each element. So 4x plus 6y equal to, multiply each with 2. So it will become 4, 6, 8 and 0. Then again second equation by 3. So this will become 9x plus 6y, right? So I'll get, so 9x plus 6y equal to, each element should be multiplied by 3. So 3 2s are 6, minus 6, minus 3 and 15. Now we should subtract them. So minus, minus, so they will get cancelled. You will get minus 5x equal to, you have to subtract these two matrices. So 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 minus of minus 6, 6 minus of minus 6 is 12, then 8 minus of minus 3 will give you 11, then 0 minus 15 is minus 15. Fine. So this is how we will check for the X matrix. So now if I erase this, so our X will become, X matrix will be equal to, this minus 5 will come this side, will become minus 1 by 5, which means we should divide each element by minus 5. So this will become 2 by 5 and this will become minus 12 by 5 because each element is divided by minus 5. So it will become minus 11 by 5, minus 11 by 5 and this will become 3. This will become 3. So that is how we get our X. Fine. So we have found X and Y. Clear? So that's how we do the 7th one. Now next we go to the 8th problem. Fine. We go to 8th problem. So 8th problem is find X where Y is given. So Y matrix is 3, 2, 1 and 4 and it is given that 2x plus y equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. Now we should find the value of x. What is our x matrix? So again, so we'll substitute y here. So 2x plus y is this matrix, which is 3, 2, 1, 4. Close it, equal to 1, 0, minus 3, 2. Right? So your 2x becomes, this matrix goes to the other side, it becomes negative. So 1, 0, minus 3, 2, minus 3, 2, 1 and 4. So this goes this side, so it becomes minus. So if you subtract both, you get 1 minus 3 is minus 2, 0 minus 2 is minus 2, then minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Fine, that is 2x. So your x becomes minus 1. We are dividing each element by 2. So minus 1, minus 1, minus 2 and minus 1. Fine. So that is your x matrix. That is your x matrix. Clear? This is your x. Fine. So now let's go to the next one, which is the ninth problem. You have to find small x and small y. That I think you can do it by yourself. So ninth problem. Ninth one you can do it by yourself. So ninth is do it yourself. Now we have the 10th problem. 10th problem, we have to find the values of x, y, z and t. So I will do the 10th problem. So 10th problem is, so ninth you can do it by yourself. Ninth problem, do it yourself. You should be able to do and find the value of x and y. So I am going to do the 10th one. So 10th one is 2 of x, z, y and t plus 3 of 1 minus 1, 0, 2 equal to 3 of 3, 5, 4, 6. This is a question, right? Now we should find the value of x, y, z and t. X, y, z and t. Now how do we do this? Let's, so we can multiply this with 2 with everything. So you get 2x, 2z, 2y, 2t plus 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into minus 1 is minus 3, 3 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6. Each element is multiplied by 3. That is equal to, again if you multiply each element by 3, you get 9, 15, 3 4s are 12, 3 6 are 18. Right? Now we will add them. So if you add these two matrices, you will get 2x plus 3. This becomes 2z minus 3. 2y plus 0 is 2y. 2t plus 6 is 2t plus 6. That is equal to 9, 15, 12 and 18. Now if you equate the corresponding elements, because the two matrices are equal, therefore the corresponding elements are equal. So 2x plus 3 equal to 9. So 2x plus 3 equal to 9. And this gives you your 2x equal to 9 minus 3, which is 6. That gives you x is equal to 3. Then 2z minus 3 equal to 15. That gives you 2z is equal to 18. 15 plus 3. You will get z equal to 9. Then 2y is equal to 12. That gives you your y as 6. Then 2t plus 6 is 18. That gives you your 2t as 12 again. So t becomes 6. T becomes 6. So the values are x is equal to 3, z is equal to y is equal to 6, z is equal to 9, t equal to 6. So you can write it. So x is equal to 3, comma y equal to 6, comma z equal to 9, comma t equal to 6. This is the value of x, y, z and t. Fine. So this is our 10th problem. So 11th one you can do in the similar way. The 11th problem is you can do it yourself. So 11th one you can do it yourself. Fine, I will move to the 12th problem. I'll move to the 12th problem. So let me put this. So the 12th problem is 12th one is 3 times x, y, z, w. We have to find the value of x, y, z, w plus equal to x 6 minus 1 2w plus 4x plus y z plus w and 3. Fine. So we need to find the value of x, y, z and w. So again, how do we do? We will add, we'll try to make both the sides as one matrix. So this will become 3x, 3y, 3z, 3w equal to, you get x plus 4. This becomes 6 plus x plus y. If I add the corresponding elements, then minus 1 plus z plus w. This is 2w plus 3. Right, now if you equate, let's equate all the equations. So 3x is equal to x plus 4. This is one equation. Then we have the next one, which is 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. The second equation, equating these two. The third one is, I can write it down, 3z equal to this. The 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. So this equal to this. Then 3w equal to 2w plus 3. This equal to this. Now if you take this equation, you will get 2x equal to 4. That will give you x is equal to 2. Right? Now substituting x is equal to 2 here. Substituting x is equal to 2 here, we get 3y equal to 6 plus x plus y. So 3y equal to 6 plus 2 plus y. So 3y equal to 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus y. So you get 2y equal to 8 and y is 4. You get y as 4. Next one is, we can take this equation, we can solve and find w. So this will give you 3w equal to 2w plus 3. Gives you w as 3. That gives you your w as 3. Now substitute w as 3 in this equation. Right? You have 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w. That is 3z equal to minus 1 plus z plus w is 3. So that will become 3z, z comes here, you will get 2z is equal to 2. So you will get z equal to 1. So you will get, final answer is x is equal to 2, comma y is equal to 4, comma z equal to 1, comma w equal to 3. Clear? So this is how we get the value for x, y, z and w. Fine. So now all of you copy the notes. I will stop the video here. You can watch my next video for the continuation of this. Right? You can copy the notes. Yeah. So you can watch my next video for the continuation of this. See you all in the next video. Thank you for watching, guys.